have been thinking about the easiest way to make passive income in 2025, or you are thinking of how to earn money in your sleep or while you vacation, guys, I have a simple strategic formula for you. So this morning, we are going to be looking at the ebook industry and how you can tap into this industry. Guys, let's look at some numbers. Did you know that as of 2023, the ebook industry was valued at approximately $20 billion? Yes, you heard me, $20 billion. And guys, this growth is steady. It is not even declining. And by 2027, the ebook industry is predicted to hit over $28 billion. So guys, what are you waiting for? This is the right time to tap into this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to publish your own very first book, how to market these books, and how to start earning royalties immediately. Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing Ame. Let's start with November. Guys, this is the month you want to start identifying your niche. You want to research what kind of book you want to write, and you also want to research what kind of books are in demand. Then you start having a picture of what you want your book to look like and like how many pages you want your book to be. So guys, November is a very crucial point in your book publishing journey. First, pick a niche that you're passionate about or one that has a specific audience. Non-fiction categories like self-help, finance, and health do well, but popular fiction niches like romance, fantasy, and mystery are also hot. Narrowing down your audience so you can write content that directly appeals to them. Research high-demand topics. Use tools like Amazon's bestseller list, Google Trends, and Keyword Planner to find out what topics are popular and have low competition. For instance, if you are thinking about self-help, search for what specific keywords and topics are in demand in that niche. Next, create an outline for your book. Start with the main chapters or sections and build your content framework. This will give you a clear path forward and you can start publishing your book in December. Moving on to December. Now, this is the month for writing. This is the month for proofreading. This is the month for formatting. And this is the month for tying everything together. Set a daily writing goal to finish your manuscript within the month. Set a daily or weekly word count goal. For example, writing 1,000 to 1,500 words daily will help you complete a short story book by the end of December. Tools like Scrivener or Google Docs can help you organize and keep track of your writing. Once your first draft is complete, set aside a few days for self-editing. You can also use tools like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid for additional help. If possible, invite a professional editor, especially if this is your first book. It can make a huge difference. Use platforms like Amazon KDP or Readsy for formatting. They offer templates that make it easy to format your book correctly, whether for ebook or print on demand. Make sure everything looks clean and professional. We are in January 2025. It's time to publish your ebook. Now, guys, you are going to promote your ebooks massively to encourage and, to bring about your first sale. So, guys, as a new author, your expectations should be a bit low because you're going to think, I have 5 friends or 10 family members that are going to buy my book. But I'm sorry to inform you, or I'm pleased to let you know, a lot of times, your first customers are not even people you know. So this is where promotion comes into play. So guys, you want to promote those books massively. If your family and friends buy them, then that is an advantage. But you want to promote with the intention of reaching a wider audience. Remember, you are not just writing for your family and friends. You want career progression and you want your book publishing business to grow. Guys, publish on Amazon KDP and other platforms. Amazon KDP is one of the easiest and most effective platforms for beginners. It allows you to publish both ebooks and print on demand. Guys, I am doing this and the process is so seamless and with minimal effort. And I am making money from this every month already. Now I'm going to be displaying some of my royalties from Amazon, and it might be small, but it is a start. Create a compelling cover and description. Your cover and description are your first impression. Now, some of the mistakes I made when I published my own first, second, and third books, I was just publishing in a hurry. I just wanted to make money. I wasn't strategic. Guys, I nailed one of my book covers and the two other ones flopped. So the one I nailed has been doing well. It's selling both in physical copies and also in ebooks. But remember, the focus for today is on ebooks. Pre-launch marketing. Generate interest by promoting your books on social media, creating teaser posts, or sharing samples. You can also set up Google Reads page and share your book with potential readers in relevant groups or forums. Run Amazon ads. Guys, this is functional. I haven't done this yet, but I still manage to make something every month. So guys, if you want to be doing this full time or you want to be earning a lot of money from it, why not experiment with Amazon ads? I can't tell you straight up to do it because I am not paying for any Amazon ads yet. So guys, you want to pay for some sponsored ads. This helps, your book reaching a wider audience. Now, marketing and growing your audience. We're speaking about post-launch. Now that your book has been published, now that your book has been launched, what is the next step? What are you going to do now? Guys, now that your book is live, it's time to focus on ongoing marketing. Remember, it is not enough to just write a book and leave it there. Now you're going to market it. If not, your books will be right there where you left them waiting for you. But sometimes, with stroke of luck, some books or resources tend to do well. Now, I'll give you another example. Now, I've printed over 30 stuff on Amazon now, and I can tell you that my dissertation planner sells at least one every day. So guys, I make just £1.80 from my dissertation planners, but guys, in 10 days, that is £18 already. You need to keep promoting. So guys, I promote my dissertation planners on my YouTube, on my Facebook, on my Twitter, even on Quora. When I answer someone's question, I put my links there. Guys, I'm doing it, so can you. Build an email list from day one. You can offer free chapters or snippets from your book. This is going to pique the interest of your potential viewers, and your email list can start growing bigger. Whenever you have new books, you're able to tell your audience or your loyalists that new books have been published via their emails. Also, you should request reviews. Ask your readers to leave you reviews on Google or even on your Amazon's author page. This is not something I do a lot, but I've been a little bit lucky. I get 1 or 2 persons helping me to review. So I think that is a strong call to action I need to incorporate into my book marketing. So guys, we're learning every day. So I'm going to be putting a lot into requesting for reviews. You can reach out to bloggers or even influencers in your niche, and you can offer them free books for their review. Guys, this way you can do your advertising, you're reaching a wider audience without spending too much. So there are micro influencers that would help you review these books even without charging you for anything. Remember, success in book publishing takes hard work. Remember, it takes patience, and remember, it takes resilience. And also, guys, you need to be flexible. You need to be open to learning. So when you have a review on your books, sometimes they might be bad, but you should take on board the lessons. So guys, this is your step-by-step guide to making money, making passive income through book publishing in 2025. If you are ready, let's go over the best platforms for you to begin your book publishing journey as a beginner in 2025. So guys, in no order of particular importance, I will start with Amazon. Next one I would like to speak about is Kobo Books. So guys, you can also try Ingram Spark. There's also Apple Books, and there's also Barnes and Noble Press. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly share this video with people that might be looking for passive income stream. Now, there you have it, guys. How to earn a living publishing books in 2025. If you have found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. Let's win together. Thank you so much for watching.